It is back. Hey folks, I'm very excited. So a long time ago, I started this model, and I was doing a what if. I was gonna do it in American U.S. military 3-tone NATO camouflage. I love this model. In I moved from one house to another. It got destroyed, and this kit is almost unobtainium since then. I'm going to tell you, I had to pay $298 to get this kit here today. So I've just been waiting for an opportunity. I'm going to redo it. Now, if you want to see the old, I'll put up here the first video in the series of doing it, if you want to watch the build and how it went, and the beginning of painting. But here's the thing. I'm going to finish the project, but I'm going to leave a choice up to all of you. U.S. Army isn't using 3-color NATO camouflage anymore. They have a new overall green, just like they did in the 70s and 80s. But there's a very unique look of some M1 Abrams with 2 different shades of green on them. I'm going to put pictures of NATO and of the choice for the all green. I want you all to tell me how you want to see this finished, and I'll do it like that. I personally, I don't know. I don't know, but I'm so excited to finally get my hands on this again. Boy, the first one I got was less than 100. They have really gone up in price. So let's just take a look at this. Just comment what you'd like, which paint scheme you'd like to see it finished in. I'm definitely not doing this desert tan. I spent too many years of my life in the desert looking at desert tan vehicles. But yeah, tell me what you guys want to see it as, and that's how we will continue with it. So thank you everybody for watching, spending time, keeping this channel going. For everybody out there in YouTube land, building your own projects, keep building them, build them well, and we will get this going just as soon as I get some votes from you.